This is wheat offal. Wheat offal in my formula is 6 kg. You can see wheat, or this is waste from processing of wheat. You can see this is the outer layer of the wheat. It's called wheat offal or wheat bran. This is 6 kg here. No, wheat offal doesn't have weight as it is very large in this bowl here. It's not the way the weight is. This is 6 kg wheat offal in my formula. This is fish meal. Our fish meal in our formula is 6 kg. Already we have 7 kg here, 7 plus fish meal. I'm going to add 6 kg of fish meal here. This is fish meal. It's already ground. It's 13 kg now. So right away, fish meal has done its own. So the next thing, let me mark the fish meal in my formula. This is limestone. You can see limestone here. The limestone, you know, we need only 1 kg. So I'll add it to here. If it gets to 14 kg, I will stop. Limestone has weight too. This is 1 kg already. Limestone is 1 kg, you can see it. Let me take my limestone. The next thing is bone meal, based on my formula. This is bone meal here. Bone meal here. I need 1 kg of bone meal according to my formula. This is, if you get to 15, this is bone meal. This is only 1 kg of bone meal. It's already added. Pause. This is bone meal already added here. You can see them. We have fish meal, we have wheat offal, we have bone meal, we have limestone, all added here. After this, we are taking them to the machine, to the mixer, industrial mixer that will mix all the raw materials, including the corn and others together. This is our red oil. Red oil is for energy and fat. You can see it here. Red oil is for energy and fat. It's already added to the feed. Need to mix it well also. Need to mix it well. Before sending it to the machine, you need to mix it well here. You can see our red oil. Red oil here is, what we need here is 2 kg. Don't worry about the texture of this feed. When we finish it, you're going to see it. You see the output of this feed. Think. Red oil is already added. Why do we add red oil? Either you use red oil or groundnut oil. Red oil or groundnut oil or vegetable oil, whatever you call it, is for fat and energy, to augment the energy content of the feed. You see, this, the aroma of this feed alone is turning the head of my puppies around. They want to test this feed. They thought I'm preparing the feed for them. You can see how they are rejoicing outside there. Some of them are dancing, their tail is shaking. So this red oil already entered. Let's continue with other ingredients before we go into the machine for mixing. Red oil in my feed here is 2 kg. I still have other ingredients to mix. Why do we mix these minerals and vitamin supplements? Because they are little in quantity, so you need to mix them with few ingredients before pouring them to the larger ingredients. Next one here is GNC. You can see this is groundnut cake meal. It's already ground into. Hey, Jesus. Right away, this is groundnut cake meal. We need 6 kg of groundnut cake meal here. 6 kg. I will need to pour this into the machine so that this will contain it. This is 22 kg here. I still need 1 kg of this on it. So groundnut cake is there. This is molasses. Already we need to in my formula I have 1 kg of molasses. This is 6 kg there. So add 1. I have to pour it here. We have to mix it well. This is molasses. Molasses is multivitamin. Exactly. This is 1 kg. This bowl is on top of a scale, so I'm watching it from the scale there. This is 1 kg of molasses. I'm going to mix it properly now. Molasses is multivitamin and energy source also. You can see you have to mix it properly.